B speed. C speed.
5 minutes ahead of schedule.
C speed.
Right on schedule. Okay. You ready? Okay, how about this? Oh my God, I'm tired.
Welcome.
Let's do it.
Megan, you go like maybe over there. Megan, like over there. No, I want to go right there.
A little bit closer right there. Okay.
Right there, so I can see on the corner.
Yeah.
Here.
I think she should go like a little bit closer.
Okay. He's gonna push in a little bit. Push in a little bit closer. There we go. Okay. He is a director.
Accent.
This is a dessert. This is like the ultimate treat. It's a dessert. It's a drink.
Sorry, guys. Can you cut around that?
Can you chug on camera?
Yeah. Just like a whole bottle of water. I could take a couple of these down.
Waffles is rolling around in the grass. This might be a traditional holiday dessert in Ireland. Megan.
I'm so sorry.
There is our roll. Just roll it over onto the seam there. It looks like a big snake. Hello. Okay. Less of that. Don't do that with your cinnamon rolls. Before we get into that, I just want to make sure 12, somebody's gonna have to do some math for me here. 12, oh, that's easy. 24 inches, 2 inches each. Never mind, I did the math myself. You guys are useless.
George, what should we do on Thanksgiving?
We should plant trees.
Plant trees.
Meow!
Okay, here I am.
Okay.
B speed.
Here I am. You can all relax, I'm here. On top of your cream cheese filling, scatter over the bananas. Now, don't forget to do this part in case somebody gets carried away and gets to sprinkle them over and then makes our cinnamon rolls and then we have to make it all over again.
Meow! Meow!
Right here, George.
Look at Joey.
Right in the lens.
Yes. George is making a face. Nice.
Guys, I have, 2, 4, oh no. I don't have enough cinnamon rolls. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I've got 10. It was 2 inches by 12.
24, which is
And I did 2 inches. Yeah. I must have done too much. I did more than 2 inches.
Yummy.
Yummy, huh? What does it taste like?
Yummy.
Put a towel over them to keep them extra snug. Is it 10:40? That's the taco guy, 10:40.
10:58.
He's late.
Try one.
I'll try one. Can I try some of yours?
No.
Okay. Would you like a fork?
No.
Okay. Now you guys have to help me out here. 12 by 12 is 24. I need 12. That's 2 inches each, right? 6. You guys, that's not right. That's just not right. 6. This is so confusing. Why is math so hard? Who's the best guy? George!
He also
Boulabus for George!
directed this whole thing.
Boulabus!
Yeah, man.
Good job, man. That's a wrap on George, everybody.
That's a wrap.
And it's that simple, you guys.
Right?
That simple.
Is that okay?
Okay? See you later.